What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a beautiful day today. As you guys can see me, I got the shorts on. Beautiful day here in PA. So I got my parts that pretty much is the floor mats that I ordered from Last Fit that I'm gonna be putting on my truck today. So I want to give you guys a quick little inside look of the difference from you having just a regular carpet floor mats than the plastic ones. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what it really looked like and why I was telling you guys like this. If you got any kind of car or whatever, you don't have any floor mats in your truck yet, well, if you got floor mats, carpet floor mats, you definitely gonna want to upgrade them. Get yourself something, get the ones that waterproof and nice fit, that's not gonna cost you a lot of time trying to vacuum your car at least 2-3 days, every 2 or 3 days, like me. So as you guys can see how dirty my carpet is. So this is really, like, it goes to show that when you have carpets on your floor, how much dirt it can really attract. And this is the side of my vehicle that I enter the most. So as you guys can see that? So I'm gonna show you guys. Got a lot of stuff in my car right now, so I'm about to do a deep clean on the inside. So these are the floor mats that came in from Last Fit. Pretty much perfect fit, pet friendly. These are all the things that come with an easy cleaning, slip resistant. Pretty much get yourself one. All right, y'all, this is how much dirt that really is in my car. Well, you know, my kids also help with that, but I'm gonna show you guys a floor pretty much without me having pretty much the rug carpet, meaning the OEM carpet that comes in the car. As you guys can see all that dirt. So I'm about to take my time out, vacuum, and then I'm gonna start installing my new carpet cover. Man, y'all can see how dirty this car is, yo. This is strictly just dirt from weeks, months. Like I vacuum my car, but I just don't go as detailed as this. Today, where I'm actually taking my kid's car seat out to vacuum all underneath, straighten everything else out. And you guys can see all that dirt that just sits pretty much everywhere. try to get it as clean as I could. So I'm just show you guys a little clip of the inside, how it look. So normally I do not clean the underneath of my seats. Maybe every once in a while, but today I was able to take everything out and get it real clean, organize everything, put an air freshener underneath. So now I'm about to do, I'm gonna show you guys the front side. So here's the fronts. This is normally like the dirty side. Show you guys over there, nice and clean. All right, so now next thing should be installing my floor mat. A little bit disappointed, man. I know I titled this video me installing my new last fit floor mats, liners, whatever you want to call it, but apparently I did all this cleaning in the inside of my vehicle. Now the front floor mats, they fit exactly how they're supposed to fit. But my only issue is the backside. The backside, they just way too big. They do not fit my car, which I know for a fact that I choose the exact year model every day, and it says it's fit. That's my vehicle fitment. So kind of disappointed because I don't want to return it, but then I'm gonna have to return it, and then I gotta wait a couple days to order for them to send me a new one. Pretty much, it's like I waited a couple days for this, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been needing this for like the longest, but apparently it doesn't work like that. So I'm gonna have to send it back through Amazon because I got it from Amazon. gonna have to send it back to Amazon, and then after I send it to Amazon, pretty much they should be able to refund me, and then I'm gonna have to order a new set of ones and stuff like that. I don't understand though, like the front really fit perfect, like exactly how OEM should be, like the OEM ones is, but it's just the backside, as you guys seen in the video. I was kind of struggling to put that on, but it's too big. It's not fitting. Kind of I'm real disappointed, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because this one of them parts is where I've been waiting to, one of them things where I've been waiting to put on my vehicle, but apparently it doesn't work like that. You know, mistakes happen, but we ain't gonna really let that try to ruin our day. But as you guys can see, the box right back there, I don't know what it is, but it definitely doesn't fit my back side of my vehicle. But and it's super windy outside. It's nice outside, but it's like extremely windy. I kept having my door getting shut on me by the wind, pretty much. But I mean, I guess, you know, shit happen. You know, shit happen in life. Can't let that really get to you, change your mood, whatever. But that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.